extremely good fortune to come across the Kaburini pride. The 11 lionesses and subadult males dozed by the roadside, blissfully unaware that a small herd of elephants was enjoying their morning just a few meters down the road. But they were quickly snapped out of their peaceful reverie as a female elephant casually sauntered towards them, either unaware or unbothered by their presence, as she continued to enjoy her breakfast. For some members of the pride, even her slow approach was enough motivation to move. A few others nonchalantly held their ground, before deciding that they too would rather err on the side of caution, particularly as the rest of the herd now quickly approached. The tension that had been steadily rising peaked when the last two holdouts from the pride had a momentary standoff with a herd member who felt their presence was a threat to the younger ones. Thankfully though, both lion and elephant decided that they had each sufficiently made their point and opted to leave it at that. The herd made their way into the bush under the careful watch of the lionesses. And once the last one was gone from view, the two lionesses each took turns keeping watch for other potential threats, while their companion did what lions do best in the early mornings in the Mara and took a